Dear friends, I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I have brought you a collection of amazing trending Mehndi designs that are currently very popular. Be sure to watch the video until the end, because I will be showcasing one beautiful and unique design after another. There are also some special designs towards the end of the video that you will definitely love. Today's collection includes floral designs, net patterns, check patterns, rose motif designs, and many other stylish Mehndi patterns. If you are looking for simple yet attractive designs, you will find plenty of beautiful options here as well. These designs can enhance the beauty of your hands for weddings, receptions, Eid celebrations, family gatherings, parties, or any special occasion. I believe that among all the designs featured in this video, you will definitely find at least one that you love. While watching, let me know in the comments which design you like the most. If you would like to see separate videos featuring bridal Mehndi, Arabic Mehndi, backhand designs, or full hand Mehndi designs, be sure to let me know in the comments. I will try to bring new collections based on your requests. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like to support the channel. Also, share it with your friends and family so they can get inspiration from these beautiful designs too. For more new and trendy Mehndi design collections, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you very much for spending your valuable time watching this video. I look forward to seeing you again in another beautiful Mehndi design collection. Thank you.